The night glows through the window. Your shadow moves somewhere inside me. Each note I play remembers you. It breathes the way our silence once did. Smile through the sound. Let the music say what I never could. You are still here, somewhere between the breath and the tone. Coffee cools beside the record spinning. The light is soft like an old photograph. I close my eyes and you return, not as a dream, but as air that trembles. Sing, my friend, of brass and wind. Tell her what words have failed to hold. Smile through the sound. Let it carry the weight we couldn't name. You are still here in every note that finds its way home. And when